Dallol, nestled within the Danakil Depression of Ethiopia, presents a landscape unlike any other on Earth, a stark and breathtaking testament to the power of geological forces and the resilience of life. This remote region is widely considered one of the hottest places on the planet, a crucible of extreme temperatures that regularly surpass 100 degrees Fahrenheit, creating an environment that challenges the very definition of habitability. The landscape itself is a surreal tapestry woven from the threads of volcanic activity and ancient seas, a testament to the dynamic interplay between Earth's interior and its surface. Geothermal vents hiss and steam, releasing plumes of colorful gases and minerals into the air, while geysers erupt periodically, painting the landscape with vibrant hues of yellow sulfur, green algae, and red iron oxides. Vast salt plains stretch as far as the eye can see, reflecting the harsh sunlight and creating an almost ethereal effect that distorts the perception of distance and scale. The air itself shimmers with heat, making the already bizarre landscape appear even more otherworldly. This extreme environment, however, is not devoid of life. Remarkably, extremophile bacteria have adapted to thrive in the hot, acidic, and saline conditions, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of life and pushing the boundaries of our understanding of what constitutes a habitable environment. These microscopic organisms, flourishing in conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms, offer tantalizing clues about the potential for life to exist in seemingly impossible places, even on other planets. The discovery of these extremophiles adds another layer of fascination to Dallol, transforming it from a mere geological curiosity into a vibrant scientific laboratory for understanding the limits of life itself. Despite its scientific and aesthetic allure, Dallol remains a challenging and dangerous destination. The extreme heat, combined with the lack of infrastructure and the inherent risks associated with such a remote and unstable geological area, makes it a location suitable only for the most experienced and well-prepared adventurers. The journey to Dallol is often arduous, requiring careful planning, specialized equipment, and a deep respect for the power and unpredictability of the environment. Yet, for those who dare to venture into this extraordinary landscape, Dallol offers a unique and unforgettable experience, a journey into a realm that seems to exist beyond the boundaries of our everyday understanding of the world. It is a place where the Earth's raw power is on full display, a testament to the planet's capacity for both beauty and extreme conditions, and a reminder of the remarkable resilience of life in its myriad forms.